Hello viewers, happy Sunday. The disparity in justice and the rising call for freedom. Today, being the 7th day of December, we all thought we had heard the last about Nnamdi Kanu's legal battles. Most people believed we'd never see Justice Omotosho and Kanu in the same courtroom again. Many assumed the chapter was closed, the decisions final. But as always, reality has a way of surprising us, and this time, it's about to get very interesting. The legal battle around Nnamdi Kanu has suddenly taken a new direction, one nobody expected. After his conviction and transfer to Sokoto, most people thought the chapter between him and Justice Omotosho was closed for good. But a fresh petition filed at the Federal High Court in Abuja has dragged both names back into the spotlight again. The Abuja petition, what really happened? On December 4, Kanu's brother, Prince Emmanuel Kanu, submitted a petition in Abuja. The document made two major claims on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. 1. Sokoto is unsafe for Kanu's detention. 2. Kanu needs to be closer to Abuja to handle his appeal, since he now wants to represent himself. The petition argued that the long distance, over 700 km from Sokoto to Abuja, makes it impossible for Kanu to prepare his own defense. Before we go further, make sure you hit that like button if you want more exclusive updates on Nnamdi Kanu's case. Subscribe and tap the bell icon to never miss a breaking development. Share this video with friends and family. The more people who know the truth, the better. Comment below what you think will happen when Kanu faces Justice Omotosho on December 8th. Your thoughts could be featured in our next video. So the request was simple. Right move Kanu to Kefi Prison, Nasarawa, or right move him to Suleja Prison, Niger State. Both are much closer to the FCT. The courtroom's shock. The biggest surprise wasn't the petition, it was the person who submitted it. Instead of Kanu's usual lawyers, a lawyer Jimaka and Maxwell Opara, his brother showed up alone, claiming direct instructions from Nnamdi Kanu. And the judge handling the matter. Justice Omotosho, the same Judge Kanu was separated from after his conviction. The atmosphere shifted immediately. Justice Omotosho versus Prince Emmanuel, the exchange. The judge wasted no time. She questioned why a non-lawyer was in court trying to file a legal motion. She reminded him that only lawyers or the accused person themselves can do that. She warned him sharply never to attempt representing Kanu in her court again. Prince Emmanuel pushed back, asking why Kanu could not be allowed to appear in person if no one else could stand for him. Judge clarifies public rumors. Before adjourning, Justice Omotosho addressed a widespread claim circulating online. She corrected the rumor that Kanu must be physically present to compile his appeal records, saying, "A convict doesn't need to be in court for that process. Representatives can appear, but the convict's physical presence is not required." She warned the public to stop spreading confusion. Adjourned. Because of the unexpected appearance of Prince Emmanuel, she refused to give any ruling. The case was shifted to Monday, December 8, 2025, for a proper hearing. Now Kanu's legal team is working urgently to ensure he appears physically in court that day, which could lead to a dramatic face-to-face moment between him and Justice Omotosho. Expert opinion, what are the chances? Legal analysts say the relocation request will almost certainly fail. Probability court keeps Kanu in Sokoto, 95%. If he is moved at all, analysts believe it would be to Kano or Kaduna, not areas close to Abuja. The bigger issue the petition revealed is the internal conflict within Kanu's camp. His decision to bypass his lawyers and use his brother signals a serious breakdown in trust that must be fixed before the appeal can move forward efficiently.